Groupings versus stick-ins. What's the difference and why does it really matter? Radio, 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 watermelon. 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 Radio, 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 radio. Okay, so hear me out. Imagine you're painting a picture. You're probably going to need something to paint on, the colors you're going to use, and then something that you're going to paint with. Well, in drumming, the canvas that we have to work with is time. And we could represent that by the beat. And the colors that we have to fill that canvas is rhythm. And rhythm are all the events that happens over the beat. One type of rhythm is called groupings, and that's where we break rhythm down into different chunks. 1, 2, 3, the rhythm. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Now here's a group of 6. 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a higgly piggly higgly piggly watermelon. Higgly piggly higgly piggly watermelon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4. Group of 4. 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 watermelon 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 watermelon. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Group of 3. Radio 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 watermelon. 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 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Stickings now deal with rights, lefts, and foot. So how you physically execute these rhythms on drums. 1 2 3. The sticking. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Now here's a group of 6. Higgly piggly higgly piggly watermelon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4. Higgly piggly higgly piggly watermelon. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Group of 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 watermelon 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 watermelon. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Group of 3. Radio 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 watermelon. 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 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a.
Ready? 4 3 2 1.
Radio, 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 watermelon. 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 Radio, 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 radio. So just like a painter understands how both the paint and the brushes work together to create the art, drummers really need to understand how rhythms and stickings work together, and that is what will help you to create your unique voice. Now I really want to be clear about something here. Understanding rhythm is not learning to play drums by numbers. What we're diving into is how each grouping feels across different note rates, and how they sound and how they play off of each other. So the words for each grouping works because they match the number of syllables to the rhythm, and that makes them very catchy and memorable. Well, at least I think so. Before you even pick up your sticks next time to practice, grab a metronome and start exploring these groupings within each note rate as a 1-bar phrase. That's a fantastic place to start. Now as you do this more often, you'll begin to notice something very cool. All the grooves and fills that you hear will now start making a lot more sense. You'll recognize patterns more and more, and you'll focus less on the stickings and more on the music itself. Can you hear it? So check it out and really become the drummer who understands how rhythms and stickings work together. And now trust me, this is one of the most important concepts that will change the way that you play drums forever.